Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by isolating the problem so you can hear only what matters. Solo the track and listen closely for bleed. Once isolated, use clip gain or normalize to bring levels to a sensible baseline so you're not hiding noise under loud peaks. Next, zoom into waveforms and mark the exact bleed regions with markers or razor cuts. This lets you target fixes precisely, rather than applying broad effects that can damage desired audio. Once you've marked problem spots, trim and apply quick fades or crossfades to remove clicks and short leaks. These small edits often solve the majority. When bleed is sustained, use Premiere's denoiser or adaptive noise reduction. Adjust threshold and reduction while listening in real time so you don't thin the voice. If specific frequencies stand out, insert an EQ and notch out the offender. Make incremental changes and bypass the effect to compare. This keeps your edits honest. Now finalize by rendering short test clips at your target loudness and listen in context, headphones and monitors, so you catch subtle leaks. If the dialogue needs consistency, apply gentle compression or dynamic processing, then recheck noise floors. Make sure you're not bringing up residual bleed. If stubborn leaks survive, send clips to audition for spectral repair or replace with alternate takes. Troubleshooting tip: if fixes introduce artifacts, reduce effect intensity, and try a layered approach instead of one heavy pass.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.